Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make your own pair of leggings. Download the free pattern linked in the description and use it to cut out your fabric pieces. Place the two fabric pieces right sides together and pin at the crotch as shown. Sew together. Rearrange the pants so that the seams are on top of each other. Align the leg seams and pin. Sew down the pinned sides with a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Measure your waist and cut your elastic 1 inch smaller than your waist. Overlap the elastic by 1/2 of an inch and sew. Divide the elastic into quarters. Divide the pants waist into quarters. With the elastic facing the wrong side of the pants, align the quarter marks of the pants with the quarter marks of the elastic. Pin together. Head back over to the sewing machine and use a wide and long zigzag stitch to sew the elastic to the pants, stretching the elastic to fit the pants waist as you go. Fold the elastic over, enclosing it inside the waist of the pants. Pin and sew again using a smaller zigzag stitch. You will stretch as you go when sewing. To hem the pants leg, fold the hem by 1/2 inch twice, pin and sew. Repeat for the other leg. And that's it! Now you know how to make your own pair of leggings. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all our great sewing content. We have lots of clothing sewing projects, bags, kitchen sewing projects, and other fun items you can make. Thanks for watching!